To get Xfinity Stream on your Fire TV or Fire Stick, first ensure you have an active Xfinity TV subscription and a stable internet connection, at least 25 Mbps for HD or 50 Mbps for 4K. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the Amazon App Store. Search for Xfinity Stream. Select the app developed by Comcast and click Download or Get. Once installed, open the app. The latest version, as of late 2025, is 5.2.1 and is compatible with Fire TV OS 7.6 and above. Make sure your device is up to date to avoid issues. After installing, launch the Xfinity Stream app. You'll be prompted to activate your device. A unique code will appear on your Fire TV screen. Using a smartphone or computer, go to xfinity.com/activate or use the Xfinity app. Enter the code shown on your TV to link your Fire TV device to your Xfinity account. Activation typically takes under 2 minutes. If you encounter issues, ensure your Fire TV is connected to the same Amazon account as your other apps. Clear the app's cache or restart your Fire TV if you experience crashes or login failures. For poor internet connections, try using the QR code feature in the Xfinity mobile app for faster activation. You can stream on up to 5 devices simultaneously, depending on your Xfinity plan.